Firework is originated from China in 7th century. They continues to produce and export more fireworks than any other country. They used to celebrate all important events with the fireworks. Then, the fireworks became popular in Europe around 7th century by Les Ismailov, ambassador of Peter the Great. Eventually, it met the United States where the fireworks shows become public spectacles for everyone to enjoy. Legend has said that the Chinese alchemists accidentally found gunpowder which consists of 75% of potassium nitrate, 15% of charcoal, and 10% of sulfur. When the gunpowder reacts fire, it burns and produces sound and...
The modern firework is usually built from a shell of plastic or a hard paper compartment. The stick is made of plastic or wood that protrudes from the bottom. This condition is to ensure the fireworks shoot in a straight line. Fuse is the main part of the firework. This is where the charges burn and ignite each other. The main fuse for basic fireworks consists of a piece of paper or fabric to be lit with a match, whereas for complex fireworks, the fuses are lit by electrical contacts called wire bridge fusettes. Charge and motor is where the relatively crude explosive is made to blow the firework up into the sky. The crude is made up of explosive gunpowder that is coarse and tightly packed. The effect for the firework has three effects. The effect is where the fireworks will show some astonished display when it is blasted into the air. Inside it, there are stars that are made by hand and are packed carefully into the compartments. To achieve multiple effects, there are several compartments that will be fired accordingly, as it is included with a time delay fuse. The designs of the displayed fireworks are predetermined by changing the position of the stars in the compartments, whether it is loosely or tightly packed. The head is the top part of the firework. It has a pointy end so that the fireworks can be shot out faster and more aerodynamic.
The firework starts working when it is ignited by lighting the main fuse. The fast action fuse will carry the flame down to the lift charge, whereas the time delay fuse will continue to burn upward towards the stars compartment. The firework explodes and the stars will fly all over the directions, which we see as a colorful and bright flame. What's inside the stars? The stars consist of oxidizing agent, reducing agent, and coloring agent. The most common oxidizing agents used in fireworks are nitrates, chlorides, and perchlorates. Since perchlorates have increasing stability in the oxygen release, they are mostly preferable, whereas the reducing agents are sulfur and carbon. Reducing agent combined with the oxygen to produce sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide. Coloring agent consists of metal salt and binders. Combustion of the black powder does not take place as a single reaction, and so the products are rather complicated.
Fireworks are used to accompany festivities, scare off evil spirits, and promote prosperity. Other than that, it is also used as bird scarer in agriculture.
So now I'm with John Complete, an expert of fireworks at University of Washington. So John, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Since you're an expert of fireworks, I would like to ask you a question. How do you make sure that firework is safe?
Mainly, you don't want compound to explode as they fall on the ground. It is important to develop stable compound that only ignite in the sky. Fireworks have invented 100 years ago, and we have learned through the century how to avoid chemical and mixture that are too easy to ignite accidentally. There is also a push to make fireworks more eco-friendly as possible.
So I hope that could happen. Thank you, John.
Welcome, sir.
So that's all.
Some of the safety guidelines include making sure that the firework is legal in your country. You must also never let children to handle fireworks without close supervision of an adult, as fireworks are very flammable, which is able to burn up to 2000 degrees Celsius. Next, one who handles fireworks or stands nearby should wear protective eyewear to prevent any firework residue entering the eyes. You must also make sure that there is a bucket of water or fire extinguisher nearby and know how to operate them properly.